We're live.
Yay.
Yay. Yay. Hmm. Yay.
Jason.
I'm out of juice. I think I still have Red Bull. Oh, I do. Brought to you by, this episode is brought to you by Red Bull.
It doesn't even give you wings.
It's disappointing.
Gives you jitters and diarrhea. Yeah. They should make drinks with Adderall. Mark is just.
You should start that company, Mark.
I'm going to.
You need a prescription for my energy drink, but it's really good.
It's worth it.
No, it's going to be Mexico only.
Drive down to Tijuana and get my Adderall energy drink.
Awesome.
Yo, what's up, everybody who's watching this exciting broadcast?
What up,
B.
Johnny?
Johnny.
Yo.
I don't think Evan's going to be here today. He's too busy for us.
What a slacker.
Yeah, I know.
I found Wi-Fi in Wisconsin.
Wow.
What?
I know.
Yeah, and we know what comes from Wisconsin.
Cheese and cows.
Yeah,
California.
And I don't see any horns, Jacob.
What's that?
Nothing.
Ugh.
So let's get started. Caleb, I'm so excited that you're just around.
Hey, thanks, man.
Yeah,
Good to be here.
this is cool. Like,
It is cool.
I haven't seen you in person, but I just feel like you're closer.
He
You know,
feels your spirit.
I feel closer. Yeah, there's a little less latency with the video stream, so
I don't know. Maybe it's more it's more America in you. You got a bigger beard. You just
yeah.
I don't know. Maybe a little more redneck. I don't know.
Yeah. I feel a little more free. So
Although you are from Portland.
that's true.
Yeah,
That's
so
true.
maybe a little more hipsters happening now.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true. Yeah.
It's your turn, Caleb.
Oh, it's my turn. Oh, well, okay. So, yeah, this morning I just continuing to work on RX Swift stuff, down an app that I'm going to develop, which is cool. It's going to be an anonymous chat app, but we're not calling it a chat app because that's lame. Like an anonymous messaging app that the reactive part of it is going to be constantly monitoring your location, and based on your location you'll be able to chat with people that are within a 1 mile radius of you, and chat mixed with kind of reactive location updates. It would be cool for like big events, like sporting events or like college campuses, or anyway, just lots of cool implications for it.
We're calling the app Back Alley. It's called Back Alley. So
Right.
discretion is important.
What's where you can get your special Adderall energy drinks. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I was working on. I also designed some Instagram stories, and yeah.
Caleb, okay, you're making a course on React Swift or RX Swift is like the framework, I guess.
Yes.
And it's the paradigm, the design pattern is MVVM. Is that right? Or M?
Sorry, I can't think. Yes and no. You can do MVC with reactive, but okay. I mean, obviously, like reactive is really efficient and like great in so many ways, and so MVVM tends to be a little more efficient than MVC, a little more balanced, and so I think that's why people who are drawn to reactive programming also are drawn to MVVM. So they tend to go together, but they don't have to. Okay. So I plan on teaching a bit of both.
So real quick, 30-second pitch. You're trying to convince the world why they should take this course and learn RX Swift and reactive programming. 30-second pitch. Sell the world on it.
All right. So reactive programming is basically just an asynchronous stream of events. Like you're basically turning everything into an asynchronous stream of events. And so there are observables that can be created, and then observers which can monitor those observables. So let's say that I had an array. I can observe that array, and when the data changes, then I can cause other things to react to it. But the nice thing is that because of that, it removes a lot of the boilerplate code that you normally have to do in iOS. But the coolest thing is that there are, there are just a lot of different ways that you can simplify code, make it really super readable. And honestly, like for some things, it's just plain easier. And it's also very efficient, and like everything is kind of made visual. So like if you end up like in a retain cycle, there's a really easy way to monitor retain cycles so that you can ensure that you never end up in a retain cycle. And so all of your memory management is super easy. There's just lots of really cool stuff.
I said 30-second pitch.
Sorry.
Are we done? That was like 30 minutes of my life.
Oh, that's good. This is good information, Caleb.
You all can wake up now. Sorry.
What?
Wait, I'm confused. Was that Caleb's or Jason's report?
I'll try to be more concise tomorrow. I'm sorry.
You blame it on jet lag.
Dude,
It's jet lag.
Johnny's roasting people. I love it.
It's good. It's good.
Anything else, Caleb?
Nope. Well, I mean, if you want me to go, I'll talk another 30 minutes, but that's fine.
Okay, Jacob.
So today I drove to LAX and I got on an airplane and flew to Wisconsin. I got about 2 hours of video edited before my computer died, so that was cool. And I have about 4.5 hours of the Realm course recorded, and probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours more to record, and then I'll be all done with the first series to Realm, so that's cool. And then tonight I have to make a buzzer app, so Johnny and I can play Jeopardy against each other tomorrow.
Okay. It's got to be loud, so hopefully, is the iPhone volume going to be loud enough?
Well, if it's not, I'm going to make it so cool that we know who won, because you're going to have a hosting app and it'll tell you who got to the buzzer first.
Ooh, that is brilliant. The latency issue. You're so smart. This is so cool.
So it'll be cool. And what I'm thinking is once whoever buzzes wins, it's going to lock out the app until the host says next question.
Nice. I love it.
Nice.
I love it. Yeah.
And so that's what I'm just going to make a real quick like Firebase app, something simple. It'll be cool.
Yes.
It'll be simple, but it'll be really cool.
Yeah. We'll be like, oh, I didn't know Firebase became so laggy. What's this 2-second delay?
That's only on Johnny's.
That's only on Johnny's version.
Yeah.
Awesome. Super awesome.
Yeah. That's all I got.
Awesome, dude. Fantastic. Very, very cool stuff. Johnny B.
Yo, so today, got sucked into some longer Discord student supports, Udemy QAs, worked on, okay, I'm gonna finish up real quick. Worked on some, oh gosh.
Johnny B's at the zoo.
I think there is a chimpanzee in your house.
It's a howler monkey.
I'm at the zoo. Okay. All right. So yeah, I worked on a few more features that we want to get in for the featured course update. Cleaning up some other stuff. Not a whole lot of like big visible stuff to report. Just kind of trying to clean up a little bit on the Mac side for this next release. And that's all I got.
Great.
Do we got any progress on the Mac course being released? Jason?
I guess that's depending on me. It's all 100% ready to go.
Okay, did you see the messages from Evan earlier?
No, you guys, I haven't even opened up Slack.
Dude.
What are you doing, bro?
Well, when I give you my update, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Probably optimize this thing. What's going on in
It's gonna be
Slack?
a long story.
No, let's
right.
just we'll talk about Slack out.
Over to Jason then.
All right, Michael.
It's your turn.
Oh boy. All right, so I'm wrapping up the SaaS section to the website, and again, we're doing this so that when we put out this announcement about the web course, that we have some new content to deliver and promote, which will be valuable. And so I spent today building out the final project that you'll be building, this landing page, using SAS and using the SMAX guideline, which is Scalable and Module Architect for CSS. So it's really good design principles. And now I'm ready to record, and that's the last video. I've got all my other videos done. They just have to be edited, and all of that is going. Whoa! I'm choking on Red Bull. All of that is going to be done tonight, and then I guess tomorrow is when we do the web promo and then the Mac. Target topic release. Or do you just want to go ahead and release Mac on its own?
It's 2 different email lists, so.
Okay. So yeah, that's what I've been working on, and then I got to the post office today to, again, mail off some books to some backers that were missed.
So
That's it.
what part of that story prevented you from being on Slack?
Dude, because when you are on Adderall, you're so focused and in one moment. And the one moment that I was in for the last 8 or 9 hours has been building out the final project. So I'm a focused man. I haven't even eaten. This Red Bull is the only thing that I've had today. No breakfast, no lunch, no nothing. Just this Red Bull.
He's dedicated.
So I'm dedicated. No breaks either. No breaks.
Yeah, but you're good. You got a little reserve. It doesn't really matter.
Yeah, at Devslopes, we don't let the workers have breaks or do anything exciting or go anywhere. At least that's what we tell Jason, because Jacob's in Milwaukee, Johnny went to like Yosemite, but Jason doesn't even get to eat. So
I broke my chains.
yeah. So cool, very cool. So expect some new web content if you own the web development course that's coming out soon. So iOS course is pushing along, super exciting, and special appearances by Bob Ross and Jason and Evan, and lots more excitement to come. So it's been a lot of fun, and I highly recommend Team Devslopes watch some of these videos, free of charge, of course.
Very good.
You know, but also I've been working with Evan a lot on the business side of the company, analytics and stuff. And so for any of you who are entrepreneurs, app developers, or have your own app idea, you know, just so you know how important we take it, how we want you to have an amazing experience on our platform. We actually are building an internal app right now that measures our subscriptions and our revenues and how often people are not using the app and falling off, so we can improve those metrics and grow the app. It's so important to us that we're building out a system that some companies have built out and they're charging like $700 a month for these types of analytics. And we're building it for ourselves because it's that important. So if you're building an app, or if you have a software as a service model, you gotta just know these numbers, improve upon them. Otherwise, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know if you're progressing or falling back. And so also, if you ever want to get investments on apps, or products, they're going to want to see these numbers. So really important stuff. I'm going to do some on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. I'm going to do some quick tips, coding and marketing and business side of apps and stuff too. So if you want to get quick tips from me, pro tips on here and there, what you should do, Instagram, the rest of the team's on Instagram, posting really cool stuff all the time. So that's Instagram.com/Devslopes. Go there, all news, updates, everything there on Instagram. Really cool stuff. iOS 11 is coming out July 24th, and not to mention the amazing Code War that's taking place tomorrow at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where Jacob Lutzow and Jonathan Burgoyne go head-to-head in iOS 11 and Swift 4. It'll be like Jeopardy, and there'll be a buzzer, and the winner gets a $50 gift card to thinkgeek.com, and may the best nerd win. So that's happening tomorrow. It's on our YouTube channel. You can find it there. So really cool stuff. Tune in. And that's it. That's good stuff. Good stuff going on.
Heck yeah.
Oh, Evan. He's doing stuff, I guess. And Jack, too. Jack's working on Windows. Day and night. Night and day. And Evan's...
emailing.
Yeah, he's mingling. So, cool.
All right.
That's
Cool. Cool stuff.
Cool. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.
Bye.
Adios.
Bye.